Hello everyone, I'm Emma Allen and the purpose of this video is to give you information about creative credit and copyright. Copyright is the legal right created by the law that gives creators exclusive rights to their original works. They get to decide how it is used and distributed. Copyright also protects original works of authorship, including literary, dramatic, musical, and artistic works. Our current digital culture encourages students to access information quickly and share their creations globally. This happens so easily that people oftentimes find, copy, and distribute the digital content without thinking about whom it belongs to or where it came from. According to Common Sense Media, the idea of viewing the internet as a free for all leads to problems of copyright infringement, plagiarism, piracy, and a general lack of respect for others' work. It's important for students to learn about their rights to their own creative work and identify how they can use copyrighted work without permission throughout public domain and fair use. This is known as giving creative credit. Creative Commons is a nonprofit organization that provides free licenses to creators when they decide to make their work public, and it helps them give permission to others to use their work under specific conditions. Learning about technology copyright gives teachers and students a greater understanding of the role that technology plays in their lives. And that's it for me. Thank you for watching.